Everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create task template in ClickUp. So first of all, just open your ClickUp account and just select your task and go to this, click on this three dots on the right side, and here go to template and click on save as template. Give your template a name. Make sure you have selected only me, or if you want to add other people, you can also do that. Make sure you have disabled this option, public sharing. As you can see, you can keep these filters, or if you want to remove it, just uncheck these boxes and this will be removed in the final version. Now click on save template and that's it. You're good to go. Thanks for watching.